How to get Amazon affiliate link of specific products. First, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Make sure you must have an account on Amazon Associate as an affiliate. Click it here. If you don't have an account, make an account. If you have an account, you can see your name here and your store ID here. After that, click on three lines. Here you can see tools. Click it here. Here you can see site stripe, click it here. Here you can see learn more, click it here. Here you can see display status enabled. Make sure your display status should be enabled. Now you have an account on Amazon Associate. Now go to amazon.com. Now you can see site stripe in amazon.com. Search for a product you want to promote. Let's say I want to promote this product. Click it here. Now the product has opened. This is the product page. To get the Amazon affiliate link of this product, click on get link. Here you can see short link and a full link. Now I can copy, right click and then copy. Now you can share it with anyone. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.